Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Jay, and you are watching Indian Ostomy Boy. So, guys, as you know that I'm a rectum cancer survivor with a permanent ostomy. I have a ostomy bag from last 11 years, and I'm living a decent life, and that is what I'm trying to share with you guys. That how we can live with a ostomy bag in a decent way, and how we can manage our ostomy bag. So guys, I have also out of videos made in past and will keep on making videos for you. But what is special in this video? So recently I have started manufacturing a beautiful ostomy product which everyone require and I think everyone must use. So the product which I have started manufacturing is these ostomy belts. You can see how beautiful these ostomy belts are, and these are very flexible, guys. These are very flexible, and these are specially made from the material, or you can say a special fabric which is very light in weight, which you can carry for almost full day. Yes, you can carry it for a full day, and at the same time, you will also feel that you are protecting your abdomen, or you can say stomach, or giving a normal support kind of a thing. Yes, at the same time, you are able to cover your ostomy bag also. So, let me show you how I have used it. So this is the belt which I have used it, and in this belt normally this is my stoma bag, and this is how I have kept it. And you can see this this is the strip, this is a velcro, and this is how it provides support. At the same time, it will protect your stoma bag also, or it will cover your stoma bag, so you can enjoy your quality life with the stoma. At the same time, you can be shirtless, or you can do any task or any fun task. Even so guys, you also know that some people normally puts their bag in a horizontal direction. So for those people, I also have these belt. Yes guys, you can see these belt. So these belt normally have the hole on the one side, and you can see most of the space, so the bag can come in a horizontal direction. And it also have a chain which will cover your ostomy bag and will provide you support basically, and will. So guys, now you can see both the horizontal belt as well as the vertical belt, and I will show you what is the difference and how these belts can be used. So I have this ostomy bag, and you can see this is a very standard coloplast ostomy bag. And now I will show you, these are the belts specially designed for the people who put their bag in a vertical position like this, who are just putting their bag in the downward direction. So these vertical belts are best for those people. Yes, yes. And you can see a hole in that your bag will directly go inside, and the outer layer will cover your ostomy bag. So this is a vertical belt basically. So guys, you also know that there are some people who puts their bag in a horizontal direction, and these are the best belt for those people. You can see the chain also at the bottom, and similarly you see the chain in the vertical belts also. So I guess these are the best belt, and these are specially designed for the people who normally go for office, or they want to just put their shirt in, or the people like who like swimming and all this task. So for those people, I think the horizontal belt will suit them best. And so guys, for what you're waiting, I think these are the best belt in the market, and you won't get it anywhere else. If you want to order this, you need to know few things. The thing is your size. So how you will measure your size, let me show you. So guys, this is a inch tape. Normally you can take anything like a measuring something. So this is inch tape. So what you will have to do is that just from the stoma bag, like this is my belly part, you need to measure the size. Yes, you need to measure the size and let me know the size, and the belt will directly come to your house. So you can see that my size is coming around 38 inch. Yeah, it is coming at 38 inch, and you can similarly know your size also. Make sure that whenever you are giving your size, you are not measuring the vest part. Yes guys, I really don't need the vest size, because the vest size, this size is not required. You need to provide this size, your belly size, where you normally put your stoma bag. So this is the proper way to measure your ostomy size. So how you can get it? So normally what you have to do is that I will put my WhatsApp number on the screen. Just give me the size and the address detail, and the price of this belt is 1600. Yes guys, the price of this belt is 1600, and you pay this and the belt is yours. It will directly come to your house. No extra charges for your delivery. Yes guys, no extra charges for your delivery. It's all included in this 1600. So I guess what you are waiting for, these are extremely cool belts which will make your life more cool, and it will improve your quality of life. So come on, let's order it and enjoy the life with ostomy. So this was me, Indian ostomy boy. If you have any suggestion for me, if you have anything for me, you can put down in comment box, and I will be making a video for you too. Yes.